Touch my body,
kiss your body, yeah, yeah.
love my body,
Miss your body, yeah, yeah.
me and you, boy, it's a one-on-one.
Yeah, we ain't leaving till somebody come. Yeah,
Me and you, boy, it's a one-on-one.
yeah, it's me and you, girl, yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's up? What's good? What's poppin', YouTube? And today I am back with another banger, but it's gonna be a little short video, y'all. So I created my own closure at home with this hair that I had. So yeah, it's gonna be a real short video, but whatever. Wanted to give you guys a video today. I think me and Babe is gonna be doing a reaction video as well. But yeah, so let's get into the video. Okay, guys, this is my old lace that I had. I cut it up. I took the hair off of it, and now I am stitching the hair. Okay, now in this picture, I am using glue or whatnot so that I can give myself a part for the hair that I'm going to be installing for my birthday. Alright, y'all, now this is the old school method of how to do closures, but I did a little circle with the tracks, and then I did another piece. I glued another piece together so that I can put one hair into the little loopy hole that I made. Then what I did next, I just took my hot comb after I put all the pieces together, and I just melted the glue so, you know, it will look better that way, and it won't slip. Hopefully it won't slip. Okay, guys, so this is the end result. This is how my closure looks. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not a professional. I just thought about something. I was like, okay, let me see if I can, you know, do a homemade closure. So this is it, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel on the road to 2K. Later, you guys.
Yeah, it's me and you, girl, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Touch my body,
Kiss your body, yeah, yeah.
love my body,
Miss your body,